Hello everyone. Today we will start 2018 NSO paper set A for class 6. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notification. Let's start with the logical reasoning portion. Question number 1. Select a figure from the options which will replace the question mark in the series as established by the problem figures. Look at the problem figures. They are just moving one step in clockwise direction. So the question mark figure will be option A. Now question number 2. 6 persons are sitting in a row facing north. P is third to the left of S, who is to the immediate right of R. U is at the one end and fourth to the right of Q. If T is between S and U, then R is dash to the left of T. The correct sitting arrangement will be P, Q, R, S, T, U. So R is second to the left of T. So the answer will be option A. Question number 3. In a certain code language, if nice big home is coded as this and nice small family is coded as this, then in the same code language, all the best is coded as dash. Look at the phrase in between the inverted comma. It's just the reverse. Similarly, if we code all the best, it will be option A. Now question number 4. How many minimum number of straight lines are required to form the given figure? Look at the figure. The answer will be option C. The minimum number of straight lines required to form the given figure is 15. Question number 5. A watch reads 9:25. If the minute hand is in the north direction, then our hand will be in dash direction. 9:25 means the minute hand is in 5 and our hand is between 9 and 10. So the R hand will be in southeast direction, which is option B. Now question number 6. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst polygons, quadrilaterals and triangles? Polygons are the closed figure made up of line segments. Quadrilaterals are also polygons and triangles are also polygons. So the answer will be option A. Question number 7. If every alternate letter starting from C is deleted from the given series, then which of the following will be the 8th letter from the left end in the new series formed? If we delete every alternate letter starting from C, the new series will be A, B, D, F, H, J, L, N, P, R, T, V, X. So the 8th letter will be N from the left hand in the new series. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 8. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. Look at the figure. The rule followed here is 3 multiplied by 4 minus 5. It will be 7. In the second figure, 7 multiplied by 8 minus 3. It will be 53. Similarly, in the third figure, it will be 4 multiplied by 5 minus 5 will get 15. So the answer will be option C. Question number 9. What is the minimum number of different colors required to color the given figure such that no two adjacent regions have the same color. Look at the figure. The correct answer will be option A. Minimum number of different colors required are 3. Question number 10. Select the correct water image of the given figure. The correct water image of the given figure will be option B. Now coming to the science portion. Question number 11. The figure shows two pieces of steel P and Q arranged in line with a bar magnet. Which of the following is true about the magnetic forces on P and Q? Look at the figures carefully. Pieces P and Q both are made up of magnetic material, that is steel. So both will get attracted towards the magnet. So the answer will be option B. Force on P is attractive force and force on Q is also attractive force. Now question number 12. There are 4 different circuits with bulbs and batteries are shown here. In which circuit will the bulb be the brightest? Look at the figures. The number of cells in circuits P and R is greater than in circuits Q and S. And there are 2 bulbs in the circuit P but 1 bulb in the circuit R. So the bulb will be the brightest in circuit R. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 13. Column 2 has approximate values of 5 quantities given in column 1. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. P of column 1 is radius of the earth, which is 6 mm. So P will be 3I. Q is average height of a person, which is 1.55 meter. So Q will be 2I. Thickness of a piece of paper, which will be 0.2 millimeter, and S is distance from Delhi to Kolkata, which is 1500 kilometer. So S will be V. Now T is size of a water molecule, which is 0.3 nanometer. So the answer will be option C. P3I, Q2I, RIV, SV and TI. Now question number 14. A rider on horse falls back when horse starts running all of a sudden because. The answer will be option C. When a horse starts running all of a sudden, then inertia of rest keeps the upper part of the body at rest of the rider, while lower part of his body moves forward with the horse. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 15. A cat was kept inside a box. 4 boys are trying to see the cat through 4 tubes inserted into the box as shown in the figure. Which of the following boys would be able to see the cat in the box? As we know, light travels in straight line. The ray of light for Hari undergoes reflection by 2 mirrors as shown in the figure. So he can see this image. Mohan sees through a straight tube, so he can also see the image. So the answer will be option C. Thanks for watching.